Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create an interlocking letter logo with Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just choosing a template first onto Canva, and then right after, you'll get redirected here onto the editing page. Now for us to be able to begin, let's add in our letters in here. So just simply click on the text here onto the left side and click onto add a heading. So let's add in letter D in here. Let's go ahead and choose in another font also for this one. You could use any font that you like. Make this one bigger and position this onto the screen. So you could choose any font that you want to use in here. And let's make this one bigger. And then we're going to copy this one and then paste it again in here. Then we'll go ahead and change the text. So for this one, for the other letter, let's use letter C for that. And then for this one, let's go ahead and try to change the color for this. So it should go ahead and look something like this. Now to go ahead and interlock these two logos or two texts in here, let's go ahead and position this one in here, just like that. Click onto this one, and then we're gonna go ahead and copy that and paste it in here. Now let's go ahead and share this. Click onto download, and then right after, let's just download page 2 in here. So for the file type, let's make this PNG and add in a transparent background. Click onto download, and let's head back here onto our first design. So once this one is already completed, let's add this one here on our uploads. And for this one, let's click onto the first letter here onto our first page, right click onto the layer in here, and send this to back. So it should go ahead and look something like this. Then we'll add this one. Let's resize this to fit the screen. And to add in the interlocking effect, you'll just need to go ahead and add this one down just like that. For this one, we're going to right click onto this or simply bring this to front. And as you can see, it did created an interlocking effect onto our text in here. And that is just basically it, how to create an interlocking letter logo with Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.